Hey everyone! Disabling fast startup on your Windows PC can be done either through the control panel or the command prompt. This can help solve issues like slow boot times or problems shutting down your PC properly. Let me show you how in this video. First method is through the control panel. To do this, first open the control panel by searching for it in the Windows search bar. At control panel, make sure view by is set to large or small icons. Then click on Power Options. Next, choose what the power buttons do on the left side panel. Click the option Change Settings that are currently unavailable. Under Shutdown Settings, uncheck the box for Turn on Fast Startup. Click Save Changes, and Fast Startup will now be disabled. Another method that you can use is through the command prompt. To do this, open the command prompt by searching for it in the Windows search bar. Right-click on it and choose Run as Administrator. Now type the command power cfg/h space and off and hit Enter. That turns off Fast Startup. Type Exit to close command prompt. And that's it. With just a few quick steps, you can disable Fast Startup on Windows 10 through Control Panel and Command Prompt. Thanks for watching.